Now let's talk about protein. What exactly is protein? Well, it's composed of amino acids. These amino acids allow your body to grow, build and repair tissues, and protect your muscle mass. Think of amino acids as the building blocks of protein. There are two types of amino acids, essential and non-essential. Non-essential amino acids don't need to be consumed through your diet because your body can already make them. Essential amino acids, on the other hand, must be obtained through your diet. So, let's talk about what are some sources of protein. When you think of protein, you might immediately think of animal meats like chicken, fish, red meats, eggs, and cheese. But protein can also come from plant sources such as beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, and soy, as well as in smaller amounts in grains, vegetables, and fruits. We will explore the good sources of both animal and protein and discuss how to get enough protein in specific diets that cut out animal products like vegan and vegetarian diets. So, why is protein important for working out? Remember when we talked about carbs being the body's main source of energy? Well, protein is your body's main source for muscle recovery. That's why people often consume high protein foods after a workout. Protein can also serve as fuel for the body during a workout when all the carbohydrates are used and the body needs more energy. And is protein only used for muscle development? No way. Proteins are large complex molecules that play many different roles in the body besides muscle recovery. In addition to growth and repair, proteins are crucial for many biochemical reactions that keep processes like digestion, blood clotting, and muscle contraction working properly. And some proteins act as hormones, which are chemical messengers aiding in communication between cells and tissues. And not to mention, protein also provides structure in our body. For example, a protein called keratin is found in hair, skin, and nails. And protein doesn't only have to come from the typical sources such as animals. I mentioned this before. And listed on the screen are some high protein sources of both animal and plant-based proteins. Choosing a variety is key to maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Do you remember the USD recommendation for protein? Well, if you forgot, it suggested that 10 to 35% of all the calories you eat in one day should come from protein. This recommendation can vary based on factors like age, weight, physical activity, and even if you have any open wounds or burns. A general guideline takes us back to the My Plate image. Remember to make half your plates fruits and vegetables, a quarter of your plate whole grains, and the last quarter filled with protein. Do you like math? It's okay if you don't, but this is still pretty easy to do. Here's how to figure out how much protein you should be eating based on your weight. Keep in mind that this doesn't account for any other variables like health conditions or age or gender. The experts suggest you should have about zero point 0.8 grams of protein for every kilogram you weigh. We usually weigh ourselves in pounds in the US, so convert your weight to kilograms, take your weight in pounds and divide it by 2.2. That gives you your weight in kilograms. Then, multiply that number by 0.8. This will tell you how many grams of protein you should consume each day. We'll also learn how to read a nutrition label later in the presentation, so make sure you're getting enough protein each day.